Okay, so this verse part is a little bit different to the scary guy part, right? Just stay on this hand for me. So it's a bit simpler. We go to this one again. Back to him. Shush. Back to him. Keep it steady. And then this guy.
That's the weird guy. I think I know him.
One note chord down here, A minor and the F. This happens twice, right? So 2 times on home bass, 2 times on E minor. Shh. Sorry about this. And then 2 times on F. 2 times on C. F again.
Yep.
C again.
Yeah.
G. This one. First finger there.
Yeah.
3rd string, 2nd fret.
Yeah.
Top string, 2nd fret. Little square like that. That happens twice. It
Where's Scary Guy?
doesn't happen here.
Oh. Scary Guy. It doesn't happen.
So that's the verse. 2 times C.
Okay.
2 times E minor, 2 times F, 2 times C, 2 times F, 2 times C, G, A minor, F. All that gets repeated. Just try to get that progression. Then the bridge is really simple. It's just 2 on the C, then straight to this guy, then A minor, and F. Repeats that again. C, home bass, square guy, watch the finger. 1 finger for A minor. Okay, so just to recap again. Verse, C times 2,
Yep.
staircase times 2, F times 2, C times 2, F times 2, C times 2, square guy, A minor, F.